Hello, it's me again. Today is Friday the 14th. Kelsey's birthday is, let's see, Sunday the 16th. So tonight her favorite thing to do is to eat Chinese food. I have to work Sunday, so we're going to be celebrating her birthday tonight, and her favorite thing to do is to go eat Chinese food. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to eat Chinese food tonight. She loves seafood, the seafood part of it. She loves the crawfish and shrimp and stuff like that, crab legs. So that's what we're doing tonight. We're going to do that, and then I just came back from picking up her cake. We have this place called Home Baking Candy Shop. Good God Almighty, them some good cakes. So, just picked up her cake, and I'm on my way home. Trying to get there in time to get them off the bus. My two girls off the bus, Kelsey and Khalees. So, I still got a pretty good amount of time. I got 20 minutes. So, that's what's been up. I had to work last night. Tonight's my off night, so had to work last night. Came home and I took Caleb to school. They have a jamboree tomorrow on the coast. Caleb does, his football team. So that's what we're doing tomorrow before I go to work at 2:30. So, the jamboree is tomorrow. But tonight, what was I talking about? I was talking about what I did today. So, I took Caleb to school and got back, and then I went to bed. I woke up just in time to go get her cake. And, so I'm headed back to the house now. Still got to go and get a candle to put on the cake for tonight. Then Sunday is when she'll actually get all her gifts. She was a little disappointed that I have to work on her birthday, but we're gonna celebrate it now, so you know she'll still be getting everything, all the effects of a good birthday. Anyway, gotta think of something to get her. I know she's getting a bike. Then I usually get them like balloons and like a bag full of I go to the Dollar Tree and get like a bag full of dollar toys. That's what I usually do. That's what I did for Khalees. She had a bag full of stuff that she ain't playing with. Now that's why I go to the Dollar Tree, because I know you ain't gonna play with it long. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm on my way home, and I'll probably get some footage of them getting off the bus. Alrighty. Hey, honeys. Chinese.
His birthday now?
We're going to go eat Chinese for her birthday. Her birthday isn't until Sunday.
Why can't it be on Sunday when they get back from church?
I already told you why, because I have to work.
Then,
honey, what's going on with his hair?
Look at it.
But I'm going to need you to stop pulling.
And,
listen, you pulling out all your hair. I'm going to need you to stop. You just totally redid everything. That was going on with his hair from last night.
And I got this book today, and I'm at 70, and I'm on page 72.
It must be a good book.
Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
I got stung by a bee.
You got stung by a bee?
When it was a recess.
Did you tell the teacher? It don't look swollen. Does it hurt?
Ow!
You should have went and told the teacher that you got stung.
did.
What'd she say?
She didn't say nothing.
Because you didn't get stung, you didn't go tell her. Okay, girls. How was y'all day at school today?
Good.
Good. How was your day at school? Knock it off. How was your day at school?
Good.
What'd you learn?
I learned that immortal means that you live forever. And I learned the millions and billions. I learned how to multiply. There's a gnat in your hair. And I learned how to multiply like in the billions. Here's Caleb. You better get in the back. Go, go, go. Oh. Go, Kelsey.
Get in the back, son.
And I learned that I learned how to multiply like 2 times 1,000 is.
There's Caleb.
Caleb. 2 times 1,000 is 22,000. I think. Hit the quad.
Who is that?
He's our football player. Star football player. So we just made it to the stadium at Caleb's Jamboree. Oh, honey, you and this long hair. My daughter loves boys with dreads. Isn't that ratchet?
Yeah.
Anyway.
How do I get this scratch? And this one?
I don't know.
It hurt.
At the Jamboree.
We are at Caleb's football game. I'm gonna do it, brother. Looks like it's gonna rain, isn't it?
Good job, baby. Yeah.
Daddy. Videotape them. Let me turn you around. I'm gonna be right back.
Oh, defense.
They don't, it ain't like scrimmage, you know.
I know, I just know.
Number 72.
Right there. Oh, grab her.